Hello and welcome back to our One Thing series. I'm Julia Rock, the owner of Rock Career Development, as well as your resident career coach. Now today's one thing is a one thing you have to stop doing in your salary negotiation. And that one thing is stop thinking that the employer has all the cards. It's easy to go into a salary negotiation discussion thinking, well, they're the person with the job, and so they hold all the cards. That's not true. Keep in mind that you've already gone through the hard part. It's very clear that they want you, or else they wouldn't offer you the job. And keep in mind that if they have to go back to the drawing board to find someone else, it may take them more time or investment to go through the whole hiring cycle again, resumes, sourcing candidates, which is an increased investment for them. So the question then becomes, are they willing to work with you on your salary ask or start all over again? Is it truly worth it to them? So you have cards as well because you're the top tier candidate. You're the person they want. You're the person who got the job offer. And again, if they have to go back to the beginning, it could be an increased cost to them. And remember, you have unique expertise, unique value, unique knowledge that no one else has that you can bring to the table. So while they have the job offer and the budget and the salary, you're the person who's bringing your unique expertise that they can't find, duplicate, replicate anywhere else in the world. So that's our one tip for today. Stop thinking that the employer has all the cards. You have a lot to bargain with because of the skills you bring, the value you offer. And remember, it's also on the employer to decide whether or not they are willing to go back to the drawing board because of a few $1,000 difference, perhaps in the salary ask. So that's our one thing for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.